If you are having sleepless nights, then your position is too big. It's as simple as that, really.
Speaking of the price, how do you see the market right now?
So I think so I asked the question, so the question you should ask is, why didn't your prediction come true? Okay, we need to be able to hold two alternative potential paths in our head at any one time. So I've also noted that the market has a tendency for maximum pain, which I've talked about in other podcasts. And maximum pain is, we all believe one thing, then the opposite is likely to happen. And I step back and look at it and think, who is the marginal driver of this market right now? It is not retail. Why not? Well, the wallet addresses, new wallet addresses and stuff are below highs now. And I think it's to do with this consumption issue. You've raised prices on retail in terms of fuel, energy, fixed costs. So their marginal ability to invest has gone down as well as to consume. So you've taken marginal money out of the market. So if you've taken them out a bit, and then the institutions are at the year end and they're incentivized differently, again, they're not saying they don't believe in the market. They're saying, I believe in getting paid, and so I want to protect my profits. I get it. It created a lopsided market. Now the question is, are they done? It looks like they're done, because the market has been kind of just chopping around since last week, which was the traditional last week of everybody, squaring their books. Could it have another leg lower, potentially? Could that come out of Asia, which is where a lot of the selling has also come from? Again, possibly. But the probability is that next year ends up being a strong start, just because capital gets put to work. You can manipulate a market in the short term, you can't do it in the long term. So I'm not a short-term player. I hear people talking about what the whales are doing and what people are doing in Asia, what some of the the bigger trading people in Asia are doing. And sure, I mean, humans are incentivized to manipulate markets. But in my time horizon, it doesn't matter. I think all markets are manipulated in the short term in some way, shape or form. Crypto just happens to have this 24-hour but not 24-hour liquidity. And that creates a opportunity set for people who want to move the market around for specific things. I know this from the derivative market. You would see, if there was a option was expiring at one point, people would try and expire it at that point to make it worthless or valuable, whatever it was doing. Same with program trades, where you'd buy huge baskets for a pension fund. They would guarantee a price into the close and they would manipulate the price. We've seen it in LIBOR, we've seen it in the foreign exchange fixings, we've seen it in everything. If there's an economic incentive to do it, humans will take it.